In this video, today I am going to tell you about articles in English grammar. Actually, in general, what is the meaning of article? In general, article means a thing or an item. And if I ask you, can we say it one thing or many things? Surely you will say one thing because A is used before it. So we can say that articles are the words which are used with singular nouns and modifies noun. It modifies the state of a noun, whether it is used in a specific context or in any general context. Actually, it usually denotes the singular state of a noun. And articles are, as you all know, these are A and D. So these are the three articles in English grammar, and how we have to use and when we have to use these articles. So this thing we will study today in this video. So let's have the basic overview of the articles. There are three articles in English language: a, and, the. Let's learn their uses. Article a is used before singular nouns starting with a consonant or a consonant sound. For example, a cow, a pen, a medal. Article n is used with singular nouns starting with a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an umbrella, an apple. So these are the general uses of articles. But children, there are some exceptions also. Let's check. Use of a or n depends on the pronunciation of the word, whether it starts with a vowel or a consonant. For example, in word honor, H is silent, so we are using n. And in word uniform, though it's starting with a vowel U, but it sounds like a consonant U, so we are using a. Next, if there is an adjective before the noun, use of a or n depends on the sound of the adjective. For example, he is an excellent person. Here, according to adjective excellent, we have used n. I have a beautiful doll. So adjective is beautiful and we have used a before this. Article D is used with both singular and plural nouns to indicate something specific like the cow, the boys, the aeroplane. Article D is used first to refer unique objects or people like the sun, the earth. Before the superlative degrees of adjectives also we use D, like the best, the happiest. More uses are for a particular thing repeating again, like I have a book. I want to read the book. In this, once we have used article a, after that we are using the. Last, used with special names of buildings and monuments like the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. Here, these are special buildings, so we are adding the before it. By this, we have completed the articles. Now I think you know all about articles and their uses. I thank you for your attention. For regular updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel NJ Homerooms. Bye-bye.